Here is the single biggest change you need to know about. In ClickFunnels 2.0, lists are gone. So in this video, I'll show you how to use contact tags to get that same level of organization. This is crucial for sending the right marketing emails to the right people. We'll also look at the back-end management. Just go to Workspace Settings and then Tags to access and edit every tag you've created. Next, let's head into Contacts to add a new tag or review the ones we already have. If you've created tags in the past, this is where they'll show up. To make a new one, simply click the Add Tag button in the top right corner. That brings up the Creator window. We'll give our tag a name, and here's a cool feature. You can color code them. I'm selecting yellow for this example, but you can customize this to fit your own system. Using distinct colors makes it much faster to scan your list later. Once you're happy, just hit Create Tag and it's ready to use. If you ever need to make changes, just click the Settings gear icon here to update the tag. Or if you don't need it anymore, simply hit the Delete icon. You can also quickly see how many people belong to a specific tag by looking at this number. Since this is a brand new tag, ours currently says 0. But here's a great shortcut. If you click directly on that number, it will take you straight to a filtered list showing you exactly who is inside that tag. There are a few ways to add contacts to your tags. We'll start with the manual method. Go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Contacts. You'll see your full contacts list here. I've already added some dummy data to show you how this works. To assign a tag, click on a contact's name to open their contact details. From here, click the Manage Contact drop-down button and select Edit Contact. A pop-up window will appear. Just scroll down a little bit until you find the Tag section. Select the tag you want to assign to this person, hit Update Contact, and you're done. So that's how you handle it manually. But we can also fully automate this process using workflows. To do this, go to the left-hand navigation menu and head into the Automations under Apps section. This will show you a list of all your existing workflows. You can start from scratch by clicking the Add Workflow button, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use this test workflow I already have. Go ahead and click on the name to launch the workflow builder. It might take a few seconds to load everything up. I've actually covered the full workflow setup in a separate video. I'll leave that link in the description if you want a deep dive. For now, I just want to focus on how to automatically tag your contacts. To do this, we first need a trigger. Essentially, we need to define what action starts this automation. In our case, we want the workflow to start when someone opts in on a specific funnel page. As you can see, our trigger area is currently empty, so I'm going to click right here and hit the Add a Trigger button. From the list, select Opt-in as your event type. Next, pick the specific funnel and page you want to track. An important note here, we only want valid leads with email addresses, so make sure to toggle Allow Anonymous Contacts to off. Finally, to make this trigger live, switch the Active toggle on. Once that's set, click Save Changes to save your progress. So whenever someone submits their data on that opt-in page, this trigger fires. Now, we need to tell the system what to do next, which is adding the action. Go ahead and click the small plus icon. This opens a side panel on the right with the list of available actions. From this list, simply click on Tag Contact. For the action setting, ensure Add Tag is selected. Then simply choose a specific tag you want to apply from the drop-down list. Once that's chosen, click the Create Step button. Finally, the most important part. We need to activate the workflow. Go ahead and flip the status toggle to on. Now the system is live. Whenever a new lead comes in, this trigger will fire and automatically update their contact tag instantly. I hope this video helped you understand how to organize your contacts efficiently in ClickFunnels 2.0. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.